Ouch, that's really dirty. Okay. Now this one that is here has they have caught it before and joined it, but it's giving issues right now. So I guess the person is a little bit lazy to actually get this off. This is the right service. This is how to do it. So as soon as you get it off, you can see the socket somewhere here.
I don't come up with that.
Right.
Wait now, calm down yourself. Calm down.
Pull it
Ask
out.
you question. Calm down. Hey.
Now you're gonna be needing like 8 millimeter.
Abuja, different thing. They will make a talk now.
Lose them.
Maybe I don't come Abuja. Come, you don't ask me passport size photo for the document of this land.
There is. You can use 8 millimeter for here.
No, I don't get time. What now? Wait, calm down. I don't get time. Wait now. At least the shorter time I spent, you had enough time to satisfy everything you wanted to satisfy. Hey.
Now, wanna wiggle this sensor.
I don't understand the tube. I don't understand the time.
Sometimes it can be a little bit stiff to get out. I got a new one here, so if you got a brake cleaner, you can apply it.
I mean the passport size photo. What
you see it right here. Well, since this one is gone, just pull it and it's out. So
it's not reminded me, see.
There's a whole lot here.
You remember everything except that one.
So we have the new one here. Make sure you have exactly the same thing. So gonna go ahead and plug it in here. Push it to go all the way in there. Let me take a look at it. See where the pins are.
Mommy. No try. Unless you want fight,
so this is exactly the same way. You can put it wrongly. If you put it this way, it's not gonna go because there is a notch here. So I'm gonna put this one and push it. Now wanna route this wire here. May decide to route it through any of here. Any of the side. You can see how I routed it. Wanna route it. Route it. Okay.
Baby, are we together?
Okay. If I'm to do it this way, I have to route it again.
This time I don't feel if you go that continue. They feel like say one man did that continue with the shop. Not to be. I bet you come up on my phone. Oh well, if I get your time later, I might go on.
Okay. So this one here, this guard is gonna hold it like this. That's how it should be. That's how I think it should be. Now, there's supposed to be a place where this one is supposed to hang, but I'm not seeing it.
That time, me and you believe I said, hey, that one no overtake me.
Since I don't have it, I'm gonna go ahead and slot it in here.
You know the behavior, I said nothing can happen, you know the problem. Then you come and travel for how many days you got to try. You travel for how many days.
Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and guide it.
a busy man. I'm not your man. You get me, you're not only food here, man. I bet she. I
see how it goes. That's how it should be now.
My CBN.
I don't want this wire to touch the tire area, because if you touch the tire is going to injure it. So we have to remove it and twist it a little bit the other way so that the wire can be inside, and that way the tire is not gonna touch it to bruise it anytime soon, and that's gonna ensure the longevity of this speed sensor, ABS with sensor. Just a moment, sir. Okay, so I want to check it again. Okay. Okay, tight. Tie him. This hand, tie them. Okay, the dust guard. Wait, let me scan it. Okay, and connect this and scan it. Want to validate and be sure that it's working before we can go ahead to close it up. Okay, see, left rear wheel signal so installed. Let's go ahead and clear the error code. Switch off the ignition. Yeah. In 10 seconds, it's gonna ask for to switch back on the ignition. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and switch it back on. Okay. And back here. successful. So let's read the DTC. No, this DC found. So I think let's validate it by starting the car. If the ABS lights still continue to show, so which means there could be more issue. Okay, it's still showing, so we need to make a test drive. I want to go back there and scan again. No error code found. So I would have gone through live stream data. There is a whole lot, so I can't go there right now. Let me shut it down. Let's go ahead and tie this back on.